Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss second unit problem versus challenges. As you know that in everyone's life some of the problems are there. So today I will tell you about the meaning of problem. Problem means something that is difficult to deal with, something that is a source of trouble, worry, etc. Means a situation which give us trouble, which give us tension, that we call that problem. Challenge means something new and difficult, a situation which which require great efforts and determination, which require hard work, great efforts to solve it, that we call that challenge. So both are important part of our life, that give you experience, make you learn and help you to become wiser and stronger. So, students, don't run away from the problems and challenges you are facing in life. Don't ignore them or try to hide from them. Try to face them, because challenge as well as problems give us courage, give us determination to to face the challenge, to solve the problems in our life. Clear? So one story is there in your chapter. Just look it in your just first second unit, problem versus challenges. One quotation is written here: running away from any problem only increasing the distance from the solution. Means if we run away from the problem, we will not get a solution. The easiest way to escape from the problem is to solve it. Clear? So we have to accept it as a challenge. Whatever the problems come in our life, try to accept it as a challenge and solve it. Life challenges are not supposed to worry you. They are supposed to help you discover who you are. Clear? So think and write. Now one story is there. Just look at your book. Auguste Renoir was a world famous artist. So, who is the artist? Auguste Renoir, who created a number of beautiful paintings. Even today, his work are admired and appreciated. Though he was highly talented, painting was not an easy business for him. His physical health was very poor, and he had to suffer a lot due to different kind of diseases. He was not able to move his fingers smoothly. Moreover, he was not even able to stand up properly to complete the painting. So he was not able to move his finger while drawing painting, as well as not able to stand up properly. So, in spite of all these setbacks, Renoir continued his attempt in painting. One day, a man saw Renoir suffering a lot of pain while doing a painting. He asked, "Sir, why are you suffering so much to do this?" Renoir replied, "My pains will fade away sooner or later, but the beauty of this work will remain forever." A very beautiful answer given by the Auguste Renoir, that whatever the problems are in our life, that fade away sooner or later. So try to face it courageously. Clear? So don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. So whenever you face problem, try to face it, try to solve it courageously, try to accept it as a challenge. Clear? There are different way of looking at life. For some people, life is a playground, whereas for other, it is a battlefield. For some people, life is a garden of thorns, whereas for other, it is a mixture of thorns and flowers. Some consider life as a long series of problems, but others consider it is a challenge. So it is a on way how we will deal the problems. That is our thinking. So different views to face challenges or problems are there. Each person look at life in a different perspectives, but we should realize the fact that life is neither a bed of roses nor a bed of thorns. It is a combination of both good and bad. Means if good days are there, bad will also come. or if bad is going on, good will also come. We can enjoy the sweet fruit of success only when we learn to accept the bitter fruit of suffering and sacrifices. So um, if we want to gain sweet fruit, we have to face the sufferings. Clear? So facing challenge in 5 steps are there. Like whatever the situation come in our life, two options are there. We have to face it or we have to give up. So that is our choice. After choosing, if we want to face it, try to act it. And after acting, we will got the solution, and that is our evaluation. So 5 steps are there to face challenge. So one story is written there. King Philips. King Philips sent his son Alexander to school. After the studies, the students had to undergo a test. They had to hold a small container full of burning coal. The king and the queen were present for the function. Alexander's hands were burnt, and the queen got up from his seat to run to him. The king consoled her and said, "Through these pains I am making him stronger. So try to face him, because smooth road never make good driver. If one want to be a good driver, he that person have to face some problems. Smooth seas never make good sailor. Clear skies never make good pilot. So to become a good pilot, sailor or driver, one should have to do hard work. So there is one case study. Just I'm going to read it. There are two friends, one poor and other rich. The father of the rich boy gifted his son a bicycle on his birthday. Rich people. At the same time, the poor boy does a part-time job in a shop and buy a bicycle out of his saving. Whom do you think will enjoy the achievement most? Why and why? So try to find out the answer, your opinion, and write here. Clear? So by this chapter means problem and challenges, I just want to say one thing, that students, uh, by shifting our words from problem to challenge, we can face any problem, we can overcome from any situation. Clear? So don't give up any problem, just try to solve it. Accept it as a challenge, as challenge give us determination to face any situation. Thank you.